Welcome back, Country Style Living Squad. Y'all have been loving our super easy crock pot meals, and today is no different. It's gonna be a crock pot ranch pork chop recipe. Not only am I gonna show you the very convenient 3-ingredient way to make this in the crock pot, I'm also going to share how you can make it completely homemade from scratch, but in just a matter of minutes. Y'all, I can't tell you how excited I am for this cheap, creamy, yummy recipe for the crock pot. One thing I did leave out is this is a bacon ranch crock pot pork chop recipe. Creamy deliciousness. I've assembled a couple things. I'm gonna go back and show you what I did depending on whether you're super convenient with your condensed soup can and your packet of ranch and your pork chops. Okay, you either have that or I literally seasoned this with the ranch seasonings and I made this in the skillet. So prep time, 5 minutes or less. I'm gonna have all of these ingredients in a link in the description below. You're gonna love this. All right, supper's ready. Tell me what you think.
It sure looks good. Get me a little cut right here in the middle.
It's bacon ranch pork chops, boneless pork chops in the crock pot. Oh wow, you don't even need your knife?
I'm afraid there's only one thing gonna be wrong with it. That ain't gonna be enough. Let me try some of these lima beans. I'd like to give out a shout out to a couple of my buddies. Bill, here's them bacon lima beans. We're gonna get another video up on that shortly for you. Buddy and Cody, shout out for you guys. Get back to this pork chop. I don't know why I got my knife. Cause it sure is tender.
What you think
Pretty good.
about the taste?
Got a little touch of, little hint of ranch.
Yeah.
And you can taste that bacon on there, that's good. Alright, I know I've done this one time before, but I gotta go sit down and get me something to eat. Peace out.
I hope you enjoyed this, and for more country style living, home and garden inspiration, we have lots of other videos for you to watch. Love y'all. Thanks for being here.